Hello guys, welcome back ulit. Parang napakatahimik dito guys. Parang nakakatakot pero hindi. Safety na safety dito guys. Kahit walang mga gwardiya sa paligid kasi lahat ng sulok ay merong camera. Yun yung bantay dito. Ang taas ng escalator. Oops. Papunta doon sa nila. FM Food Master. Kainan ng mga taga-opisina guys. Siguro sobrang mahal dyan. Only food, right? Yeah.
Where do you want to go? We are at here.
Sunny,
right
Sunny,
now.
come here. Huh?
Auntie, we are here.
Here, right?
So we go check here. Then we go check
Ang
here.
taas ng escalator. The escalator so long, right?
No, if it takes this even longer. I want to go up again.
Be careful, ha?
You take the stairs. No, Shan. Not under me.
Ang ganda tingnan yung mga punong kahoy. Ay, you use this one. Why you this one?
Calm down. Calm down.
Sunny, go on.
Calm down, lady. Let's go up.
Hey, this one
How
cannot.
about first walk? Calm down.
This one cannot.
Please.
This one cannot, Sunny.
Please. Huh?
This one cannot. Cannot ride.
Then.
Hey, don't have driver.
Then we can. I want to go up again, please. Means cannot drive.
Yeah.
I let you go
If
first.
have
I
driver
let you
can.
go first.